Hello everyone, I know you are super excited to learn about the triangle exterior angle theorem and how to apply it to a problem. Okay, so if you notice in the problem we have a triangle with this nifty exterior angle, this extension off the end which forms an exterior angle. Alright, so it says find x and the measure of angle h and the measure of angle j. Okay, so if we have an exterior angle, remember using the triangle exterior angle theorem, it says that this should equal the sum of its two remote interior angles, and those are the angles that are not right next to it. So which angles are not right next to angle 126? It is angle h and j. So I know the measure of angle h plus the measure of angle j should equal the measure of angle FGH using our triangle exterior angle theorem. Okay, so I'm going to set that up, substitute everything in where it goes, and solve that bad boy for x. So I know the measure of angle FGH, so this angle on the outside, will equal the sum of the two remote interior angles, which are h and j. Alright, let's start replacing things with what they equal. The measure of angle FGH is 26 degrees, which equals the measure of angle h, which is 6x minus 1, and the measure of angle j, which is 5x plus, and that says 17, 5x plus 17. I'll double check that, but I'm pretty sure that should say 17. Da, da, da. Yes. That is 17. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. I can't read my handwriting sometimes. All right, let's solve this thing for x. So, looking at the problem, I need to combine my like terms first. Okay, so I'm going to start with my x's, which 6x plus 5x will give me an 11x. So I'm going to have 126 equals 6x plus 5x is our 11x. Alright, and my other like terms are the ones without the x's. So the negative 1 and the 17, which negative 1 and 17 is 16. Alright, let's start solving this thing for x. So I need to bring my 16 to the other side, and the way we bring a positive 16 to the other side is by subtracting it on both sides, which 16 minus 16 cancels and turns to 0. 126 minus 16 will give me a 110. There we go. So we get 110 equals 11x. All right, and now I just need to solve for my x. So my 11 is secretly multiplying to the x. So the way we bring it to the other side is by division. All right, guys, so finally we get x is going to be 11 divided by 11 cancels and turns to 0. 110 divided by 11 is 10. So x is 10 degrees. Awesome, you guys. Awesome. We're killing it. All right, but we're not done. We also need to find the measure of angle h and j. So I'm going to do that work over here. All right, so the measure of angle h and the measure of angle j. I'm going to solve that over here. All right, which the measure of angle h is 6x minus 1. So I'm going to replace the x with the 10, which is what the x equals. So this will be 6 times 10 minus 1. So the measure of angle h equals 6. My x is going to transform into a 10. And then minus 1. So 6 times 10 is 60. And 60 minus 1 is 59. So the measure of angle h is 59 degrees. Nice, nice. Okay, let's keep going. So now the measure of angle j. Okay, so now my x in this one is going to transform into a 10. So the measure of angle j equals 5 times my x, which is 10, plus 17. All right, let's do this thing, you guys. So 5 times 10 is 50. I'm going to bring down my 17, and 50 plus 17 is 67. So the measure of angle j is 67. We found our x, we found our h, and we found our j. Bam, bam to the bam. So guess what this means, you guys? This means we are donezo with this problem. Holy hot dog.